4. Clothes we wear. Children, this is the fourth lesson in the course book, Clothes we wear. Now we will do the workbook part for this lesson. The first bit here is fill in the blanks. Children, here we are given 3 incomplete sentences. We have to fill in these blanks with the words given in the brackets. We have to choose the correct word from the given bracket and write in this blank. Now what are these sentences? A. We wear dash cotton/woolen clothes in summers. So in summer season, what do we wear? The correct answer is cotton. We will write here cotton. We wear cotton clothes in summers. B. Woolen clothes keep us dash warm/cold. So what is the correct answer from these two words? Woolen clothes keep us warm. Warm is the correct answer. We will write in the blank WARM, warm. Woolen clothes keep us warm. C. We may get dash wet/hot during rains. So what is the correct word? Wet/hot. From these two words, which is the correct answer? Wet. WET, wet. We may get wet during rains. So we will write here WET, wet. We may get wet during rains. I will read once again for you the sentences. We wear cotton clothes in summers. Woolen clothes keep us warm. We may get wet during rains. Children, here for each sentence, 2 words are given. We have to select the correct word from these 2 given words and write in the given blank. This is about the first bit, fill in the blanks. Now we will move to the next bit. Two. Complete the names of seasons. Children, here these are the names of the seasons, but the word is incomplete with the missing letters. We have to write the correct missing letters and complete this word of the season name. And here some pictures are given as clues. These are the clothes which we wear in different seasons. So this is a t-shirt, this is a raincoat, this is a woolen cap. Now we will fill in the missing letters for the seasons. S, U and E, R are given. So the missing letters are M, M. S, U, M, M, E, R, summer. Summer is a season, hot season, and we wear a t-shirt in a summer season. The next word W and T and R are given, and the missing letters for this season are I, N, E. WINTER. Winter. Winter is a season. It is a cold season, and we wear a woolen cap in winter season. Next is the another season name. R is given. I and N are given. The missing letters are A, Y. So this is a rainy season. RAINY, rainy. We wear a raincoat in rainy season. So these are the names of the seasons, and these are summer, winter and rainy. This is about the second bit. Now we will move to the next bit. Three. Write W for winter clothes, S for summer clothes and R for things we use in the rainy season. So children, these are the pictures of the different clothes we use in different seasons. and we have to identify these pictures and write in which season they are used. For winter season we have to use W, for summer season S, for rainy season R, and we have to write the correct letter in the given boxes here. The first picture is that of an umbrella, and we use an umbrella in which season? Can you tell me? Yes, we use umbrella in a rainy season, so we will write here R. This is a sweater, and we wear a sweater in winter season, so we will put W here in this box. W is for winter season, we wear a sweater in winter. And these are shorts. We wear shorts in summer season. S for summer season, we will write here S in the box. And the next is the woolen cap. We wear a woolen cap in winter season, we will write here W. This is an umbrella for rainy season. This is a woolen sweater for winter season. This is shorts. Shorts we wear in summer. And this is a woolen cap we wear in winter. R for rainy season, W for winter season, S for summer season, W for winter season. So this is about the third bit. And now we will move to the next bit. 4. Let's answer. Children, here we have few questions. We will read these questions and write the answers for these questions. A. Why do we wear clothes? And the answer for this question is, we wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and dust. B. When do we use an umbrella? The answer for this question is, we use an umbrella in rainy season and in hot sun. C. Which clothes do we wear in summer season? The answer for this question is, we wear cotton clothes in summer season. So these are the questions. And the C question is, which clothes do we wear in summer season? We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Now if you have one more question like, which clothes do we wear in winter season? You write the answer as, we wear woolen clothes in winter season. In summer season we wear cotton clothes. In winter season we wear woolen clothes. Now this is about the fourth bit. Let's answer. Now we will move to the next bit. The next section here is, let's do it. Choose the clothes that you would pack for your summer and winter vacation. Children, here in this box we are given some names of the clothes. And now you have to choose the clothes which you wear in summer season and the clothes which you wear in winter season. Now the first here are woolen gloves. So can you tell me, in which season do you wear woolen gloves? Yes, in winter season we wear woolen gloves. So we will write under winter. In winter it is very cold, so we use woolen gloves. The next is frock. Frock we wear in summer season. So under frock we will, under summer we will write frock. Under summer season we are writing frock. Shorts. Shorts also we wear in summer season. So under summer we will write shorts. Sweater. Sweater is made of wool. So we wear a sweater in winter. So we will write the sweater in winter season. Under winter column we have written sweater. Next is the woolen cap. Woolen cap we wear in winter season. So we will write under winter column woolen cap. The next is t-shirt. In summer we wear t-shirt. We will write t-shirt in summer column. So these are the clothes we wear in summer season. Those are frock, shorts, t-shirt. And in winter season we wear woolen gloves, sweater and woolen cap. So this is about the let's do section. And with this section we complete the workbook part for the 4th lesson, clothes we wear.